this one?
That's not our car. Does it look like our car? No, that's right.
No.
Yeah. I parked there last night. Diyan. Kasi pagka-uwi namin kagabi from picking up Daddy
Mom,
from...
I want to drive in the car.
Yeah, we will walk to the car and then we'll drive, okay?
Okay.
From the train station. Wala nang parkingan doon, guys. Punong-puno na. Kahit dito. Wala. So, yeah, we'll go see our car, okay? Do you want to say good morning here to Tita and Tito?
Good morning.
Hang on. Yeah. Tumakbo na si Inday. So, it's Friday and papasok yan siya. Yay! Oh, careful na! Careful! At si Paris ay pumunta na sa school kanina. Dinrap siya ni Daddy Mike. Naglakad sila kasama si Louie. So, ngayon... hatid ko itong isa. Where are you going?
Going with my friends. Call my
Pag-iba na talaga, guys. So, before, ayaw niya. Ngayon, go with my friends. Yeah, of course.
Call my hands.
I'll hold your hands. Okay. Naubo siya sa sasakyan kanina, guys. Tapos, ang tawag dito, niluwa siya, binagluwa siya. Are you happy? Tapos, inano ko sa kamay ko. Hindi ko, wala akong magamit para i-catch ba. So, kamay na lang kaagad. Wala akong na tissue. You wanna open the door?
Yeah. Okay.
Nagka-mess man, sabi niya, Mommy, I'm angry. Don't make a mess. Sabi pa niya. Hey, did you get angry before?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Good morning! It's 9:40 in the morning and kakadrop lang natin kay Baby Celine sa kanyang childcare. So, medyo natagalan akong lumabas kasi Baby Celine was a bit, alam niyo yun. Sabi niya sa teacher niya, I wanna go home with Mama. Hindi siya umiiyak. Pero sabi niya na gusto niyang umuwi with me. And then the teacher said, how about we'll play first and then Mama will come back. And then he said, but we'll go pick up Ati. Sabi niya. And sabi ng teacher, you go pick up in the, no, Mama will pick up in the afternoon, Ati, and then they will come pick you up. We'll go for a play first. Sabi niya, okay. And then she hugged me, said bye. And then nung palabas na ako, tinawag ako ng ano nila, ng admin nila. So, we're just talking about the fee and all, yung ating statement, and alam niyo yung mga bayad-bayad din pang may time, ganun. So, ngayon, yung teacher ni Baby Celine dyan, isa guys, Pinay, she's like, saan ka naman punta ngayon? Maglarag-larag ka na po. Okay. Bisaya man siya, guys. Sabi ko, woo! Diba? Kasi pag Friday, day off ni mami niyo. Kasi Ate Paris at school, Baby Celine is childcare, so that's the only day I can do things for myself. So ngayon, magdadrive tayo ng another 35 minutes. Pupunta tayo ng North Lakes kasi si mami nyo ay magpapa-lashes. So, kung nanonood kayo ng videos natin, guys, yung lash technician ko, dito lang talaga 2 minutes drive from us. But, this time, fully booked siya. Kasi hindi ako nagbo-book in advance. Kasi hindi ko man alam kung, kailan ko gusto. Ayaw kong mag-book like every month kasi very expensive, ano. And then, fully booked siya. And then, may nakita ako sa Instagram na malayo siya, guys, North Lakes. But maganda yung kanyang work. So, sabi ko, yeah, I can drive there since I have time on Friday. So, doon tayo pupunta ngayon. Tingnan nyo ang ating before. Walang makeup si mami nyo, guys, ha? Hayaan nyo na ang ating melasma. So, ayan ang ating before, guys. Super, super ikli ng lashes ko. Ayan. And then, later, papakita ko sa inyo yung result. So, come with me. Let's go drive to North Lakes. I just checked. And tingnan nyo, guys. Oh my God. It's actually over 35 minutes. I underestimated it. So, dito, 37 minutes, pero magbabayad ka ng toll na $5.45. Oh my God. And then, yung free naman, it says heavier than usual. Heavier traffic, 57 minutes. Like, seriously? Siguro nung chinek ko to, gabi. So it was very quiet and it shows like 27 minutes. And now, I can't believe it. Sobrang layo nang ita-drive ko for my lashes, guys. But, kailangan ko eh. Kailangan ko lang pumunta. So, I'll see you when I get there. Welcome back, guys, with my beautiful lashes. Look at that. I'm just gonna tighten this off so you'll see the difference. Look at that. Can you see the difference from before? Sobrang gising na tayo, guys. Look at that. So, dito ako ngayon sa the Lash Room. Lashes, brows, makeup. With this beautiful lady. Yeah. She's got a very nice setup here, guys. Nakatulog si ate niyo. But yeah. Wow. Very worth it. We're back in the car, people. It's now 12:52. And maghahanap muna ako ng mga kainan kasi gutom na si mami nyo, guys. Before tayo mag-drive pa uwi. So, yeah. I'll still have time. Kasi, I have to be there by 3 para pick up ni Ate Paris. So, I still have enough time. Ngayon, nakita ko tong, dito, may sandwiches dyan. And then, next door, meron akong nakita na op shop. And, alam niyo naman si mami nyo, guys, I love op shops. So, I'm gonna go to the op shop first. Magtingin ako kung anong meron sila doon. And then, I'm gonna grab something to eat. And then, uwi na tayo. Yeah, very happy with my lashes, guys. First time kong ganitong length ulit. Kasi, nakita nyo last time, I think that was only like 9 to 10 millimeters yung length. Ngayon, nilagay niya sa middle, 11, 10, 10, 11, 10, 9. Yun yung sabi niya. So, ewan ko kasi hindi na ako sanay na magkaganito, guys. So, ayan siya. Diba? Talagang halatang-halata na meron kang, lashes. Kasi yung akin last time, yung mga pinagawa ko the past few, times, ay medyo, siya, shorter dito. So, what do you think about this, guys? Dito, parang kitang-kita talaga na meron kang extensions. Ayan, sabi ko sa kanya, kasi pinipili ko yung short, kasi hindi naman ako pabalik-balik. Normally, kasi kailangan mong mag-book ng refill. Tapos si mami niya naman, guys, hindi naman ako every time na pumupunta. Pag may okasyon lang, pag feel ko lang, ganun. So, kapag shorter siya, hindi siya masyadong parang halatang tingnan kapag tumubo na siya ng mahaba. But anyways, I think I'm okay with this. Like, I think I can rock this one. Ayan. But yeah, ibang-iba talaga ang mukha kapag nagka-lashes ka, guys. Like, it looks like gising na gising yung mata mo. Diba? Anyways, kumaya na tayo machika-chika, guys, kasi papasok tayo doon. Dalhin ko kayo. We'll see kung meron tayong makikita doon. It looks so cool here, guys. Tingnan nyo. Parang siyang library. Oh, wow. That's so good. This is so cute. How much is that? Oh, $2. Like that. Bunnies, kasi Easter na. Got bunnies everywhere. Sorry, I'm not for sale. Have a look. This is so old. Very countryside na style lang sa kanila dito. Tingnan nyo. Have a look at that lacquer. Grabe, that's 100 years old. Yeah, they have like a big truck inside the shop. Hindi na nag-work, ha. Ginawa na nilang ito. Display. Kain muna tayo. Hot chocolate. Kasi alam niyo ba, surprisingly, umiginaw na ngayon dito sa Brisbane. This morning, actually very cold. Ngayon yung hangin, maginaw. So, hot chocolate tayo instead of iced chocolate. And then, ito lang yung in-order ko, chips. Kasi hindi ko masyadong bet yung pagkain ko. So, Yan. And then, I don't know what kind of sauce this is. Yeah, and then, alis na tayo after dito, guys. And then yung sasakyan natin nakapark. Diretso na tayo sa school natin Paris after dito. 2:30, guys. And nandito na tayo ngayon sa school ni Ate Paris. So, lalabas tayo kasi need kong pumunta doon sa office nila. Kasi kailangan i-set up yung something account for Ate Paris. So, mabuti na rin na maaga yung dating ko dito. Para magawa ko to. I can't believe you forgot it! Are you sure? Are you sure this is yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay. Alright, come on, fix your hair quickly.
And pick me up from school. And here I am at my school too. My mom fixing my hair. So beautiful. And we're going to play for 5 minutes. So, see you later. Bye.
Sabi niya, can I play for 5 minutes, Mommy? Hayaan ko muna. Okay lang naman kasi hindi namin kailangan pick upin si Baby Celine hanggang 5. Sure.
Yeah.
Ew. We're at the first office na, guys. Maybe print lang kami ni Ate Paris.
My slime.
Dirty stuff. Pati rin na binigay sabihin niyo the front door. Hindi ko mag-get over kay Paris sa kanya. Madam! Madam, put this in the bin, please. Madam? I think that's the bin. Have a look. Ang cute na ito Paris na kahapag. Gusto niya pumunta ng bakery, guys. Is it? Oh yeah, it is bin. Ew. What would you like from the bakery, madam?
I'm gonna get something to eat. No, I'm not getting a sausage roll like I had for lunch.
Nah, you already... Here.
This one.
Good, how are you?
Can I get...
Labs na.
Can I have a cookie? Happy face?
Happy face?
Yeah.
Okay. Louis straight away like sat on Paris's lap. Did you miss Ati? Did you miss Ati? Huh? Uy! Uy! Hello! Ew, you smell the bum. Sa bahay na kami. So, meron pa kaming mga 40 minutes bago natin pick up si Baby Celine. So, ngayon, yung ginagawa ko lang ay nililinisan ko tong dadalhin natin sa Sunday para ibenta. So, I have this one. Napakaganda nito, guys. This is from the brand Coach. Diba? Kakaiba. Pinipresyohan ko lang sila. Tapos, may isa pa dito na napakaganda din, guys. This one is from Adidas. Pero hindi to siya like, basta-basta na Adidas. Limited to siya. Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? May papuso. And then, yung sa lapalapan niya, guys, meron siyang mga heart-heart din. Diba? As if naman may makakakita dyan. But, knowing that it's there, makes it different. Kasya ba ito sa akin? Ay. Size 6. Kasi size 6 si mami niya. Nice! Beautiful. Then, anyway.
You never buy my nose.
Ito, bibenta ko na to siya. Yan. Still brand new. Uy. Ang dami kong dadalhin sa Sunday. Mas marami pang sana, but yung kaibigan ko na si Amy, sasama siya. So it means mahahati yung ano namin kasi gusto rin niyang ibenta yung mga gamit daw niya sa bahay na mga damit, whatever na hindi daw nasusuot. So ibig sabihin, mahahati ng dalawa yung space. So hindi ko madadala lahat ng gusto kong dalhin. Kailangan limited. Yeah, pinapresyohan ko sila para pagdating doon sa Sunday ay hindi na kailangan magtanong ng mga tao kung magkano kasi may mga price tag. Look at this. This is so summer. It's like a belt bag, but at the same time you can also wear it as a crossbody bag.
Crossbody!
Ayan. Ganyan siya.
Ay.
Maganda. Brand new din to siya, guys.
Hello!
Balik natin.
Do you like my slime? Slime?
Asan na ba yung mga tags ko? Lagay na ako ng tags. Kasi mamayang gabi, yung gagawin ko, mag-steam ako ng mga damit. O ito, pakita ko ng maayos. So, nag-print kami nito. Ayan. Para ilagay sa stall namin, guys. Ayan. Size 6 to 8, 8 to 10. Shoe size 6. Ayan, may nakalagay all individually priced. Kasi naka-individual price naman yung mga palinda namin. Yung mga labels, yung mga brands, isusulat namin dyan. Ayan, accepts FPOS, bank transfer, and cash. And then size 7 kasi kay Amy daw size 7. So nag-print na lang din ako niya para print na lang. Yeah, it's going to be really, really exciting, guys. Ngayong Sundays. Here's my baby Lini. How's your day? Good. Did you play? Alam niyo ba yung sinasabi ng teacher ni Baby Celine? She is very famous sa kanilang classroom and also sa Kimdi. Palagi daw siyang hinahanap ng ibang mga kids and they think that she's very funny and cute. Ay, cute man sa gina among bata. Uy! Ha? Walag bahog tayo. Buwa ka tayo lang?
That's the car.
That's the car. What's the color of our car?
Black.
Black. Where's Ati? Give Ati cuddle. Ati has been wanting to cuddle you today. Aww, cutie. Careful because she might fall. Say no, Ati. Say no, Ati.
No, dear.
Okay, come na. Let's go.
Let's go.
Why? Uy, so heavy.
Look, my slime. I got this stuff.
Louis jumping. We're going to get pizza, guys. Kasi it's Friday night. I'll take Louis for a walk. Lalakad lang kami. Go in front lang so Louis will work. Oh, we'll walk. Nini, what are you doing, silly? Go.
Silly Baba.
You are the silly bamba.
I'm
Come
not.
on, sir. Careful this car.
I see it.
Yeah, you see it, sabi ni Celine. It's not hot anymore. It's just dark. It's cool, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nanindig balahibo ko.
Keep walking.
Yeah.
We're stopping now.
Come.
Come on. Dini.
It's a playa.
Keep going.
It's a playa.
Caterpillar?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Come on, let's go. Let's keep walking. So, Louis will keep walking.
Follow me.
Sinasanay pa namin si Louis kasi he's not used to it pa. He's still a babe.
Yeah, and so he still walks. Oh, wow. Oh.
Come on, keep walking.
Please hurry up. Grab the back.
Come on.
Backpacks?
Backpacks ka pa na.
Yeah.
Ano sila naghihintay ng pizza. Sobrang busy, guys, ng Domino's. Hintay-hintay ba may time. Kamang mga pulubi eh. Look mean, di ay.
Go to mama.
Come.
Ah.
Come here.
Okay. Nagkatag.